everyone, this side Alisha Bawa, currently working as an intern with Lexis and Company, and my today's topic of discussion is what if maternity rights are denied. So to discuss this, we need to know what is maternity benefit. So let us begin our topic of discussion and discuss what is maternity benefit, how it is granted, and when and in which situations it is denied to. So let us begin with this. Maternity benefit is the amount which every woman is entitled to be paid, and the employer is liable to pay to her at the rate of average daily wage for the period of her actual absence. It is a payment paid to the woman who is on her maternity leave, and it is covered under the social insurance. Now, an application for such payment must be made at least 6 weeks before intending to go on maternity leave. Now, if the woman is already on the some social welfare payments, then she may be avail half-rate maternity benefits. In India, the maternity benefit rules are governed by the amended Maternity Benefit Act 2017, which regulates the eligibility, condition and duration for getting the maternity benefit. The maternity benefit rules are applicable to factories, shops, mines and establishments which employ 10 or more employees. Now, the maternity benefit law was regulated by the Maternity Benefit Act 1961, which provided previously, but it was further amended in the year 2016. The amendments to the Act had changed various provisions regarding the applicability and duration of the maternity leave in India. Now, the following changes were brought about by the new maternity benefits that are as follows. The first one being the increased duration. The maternity benefit leaves were previously available to women employees for 12 weeks. Later, it was increased to 26 weeks after 2017 maternity rules. This benefit can be availed in a duration of 8 weeks prior to the expected delivery date and 18 weeks after the delivery. Second being the changed applicability. Maternity benefit leave in India is available to both adoptive mothers and commissioning mothers as well. Women employees who adopt a child gets 12 weeks of maternity benefit in India. And the third one being the option of work from home. The new maternity benefit rules of 2017 provide pregnant and lactating women with the option of working from home once the maternity benefit leave of 26 weeks expires. The conditions which govern work from home are mutually decided by the women employee and the employer itself. And then next, these were the methods which brought changes to the Maternity Benefits Act in 2017. Now let us discuss who is eligible to get maternity benefit in India. The Maternity Benefit Act 2017 lays down the women employees who are most eligible to get the maternity benefit. The Act states that the women employees who had worked for at least 80 days in the past 12 months can apply for getting maternity benefits in India. Even the mothers who adopt a child under the age of 3 months are eligible to get a maternity benefit leave for a period of 12 months. Now, a commissioning or a surrogate mother is also entitled to get maternity benefit for 12 weeks. If a woman suffers from a miscarriage, then she is entitled to get a maternity benefit for a period of 6 weeks after providing a certificate from the doctor. Also, if the women suffer from any of the illness that is caused due to her pregnancy, premature childbirth or delivery, she shall be entitled to get a maternity benefit of 1 month after providing the doctor's statement. Now let us discuss what to do if maternity benefits is denied by the employer. What steps can a woman take at that time? An employee's maternity benefit can never be denied by an employer. If the maternity benefit services are dismissed or denied by your employer, you can take the following steps. First, HR department to be connected. take your grievances to the HR department of the company. Usually it is the HR representatives that clear up any confusion, grievance that is between the employer and the employee. Check the HR policies of the company and to know about the company's stance on maternity benefit. If in case the HR fails to provide any resolution, follow up the next step, that is employer to be sent a legal notice. Consult an employment and a labor lawyer in India and send a legal notice to your employer regarding the denial of your maternity benefit, which is your right. But if still the employer does not respond, he can be taken to the court. Now approach to the labor court. Hire an employment and labor lawyer to file a case against your employer in the labor court. Any employer who denies a women employee's maternity benefit claim in India can be punished with an imprisonment for up to 3 months, fine or up to rupees of 5,000 or even both. If you have been dismissed or discharged from your service, then he can be punished with imprisonment for a period of 3 to 12 months. And it is advised to contact an advocate practicing law, labor and employment acts if your maternity benefit claims are denied by your employer. So this was all about the maternity benefit, when it is denied, and how you can approach a court in case your rights are being denied. I hope you would like my video. Thank you.